In this video, I will show you how you can send iMessages or text messages on the iPad 11 A16. Now, if you have the cellular model of the iPad 11 A16, then you will be able to send iMessages as well as text messages. But if you have the Wi-Fi only variant, as I have over here, you will only be able to send iMessages. Now, to send iMessages using this iPad, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. From this app list, just scroll down and look for the Messages app. Now after you find it, then just tap on it, and from here just scroll down and make sure that the toggle for iMessages is enabled. Also tap on Send and Receive and make sure that your Apple ID is selected. Now after you've done that, now you can go to your home screen and you can open the Messages app and you can send iMessages to anyone from here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.